Well, good morning, everybody. It is Monday. It's our first morning in our quarantine hotel. We got in last night about 1:30-ish, and I woke up wide awake at 5. We just got our first morning's breakfast, so I'll show you guys that. They just delivered it a minute ago. There was about 3 options for each meal: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Some fruit, hash browns, eggs, sausage, some more fruit, bacon, some croissants, and these were a couple of salads, and some yogurts, orange juice and milk, and we made our own coffee this morning. Twice a day, you have to take your temperature and record it and submit it to the hotel staff via the Line app. Also, twice a day, you will get a phone call on your government-issued phone by the police, and they will ask you if you have any COVID symptoms or if you have a fever or anything that you need to report to them. So today is quarantine day 1, and it is evening time, so I'm going to record my second thermometer. Alright, 36.7. I'm good to go. So day 1 quarantine, I made the Christmas tree lamp. We watched all 4 Hunger Games movies. Taking my temperature, submitted it on the Line app. I took all of our food, put it in this drawer here, and somewhat organized it. Looks like Carlton's been in here messing around. Let's see. Got ramen, beef, chicken, oatmeal, coffee, all of our snacks down here. Did a workout, showered, made some lunch, and that's about it. This is day 1's dinner. It's a poke bowl with chicken, pineapple, corn, red and green bell peppers, cucumbers, and rice, some fruit, and this some kind of soup. It smells good. And apple juice. Quarantine day 1 is complete.